Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Gemini and tap Sign Up, enter your email and a strong password, then enable 2FA right away for protection. Next, upload your government ID and take a clear selfie so verification moves fast. This reduces hold times on fiat withdrawals. Link a bank account or debit card and choose your initial deposit amount. Check deposit limits and typical fees. Once done, make a small test deposit to confirm everything, because confirming one successful transfer avoids larger problems later. You now pick the trading interface. Use Spot for simple buys or Active Trader for lower fees and advanced orders. Once you select a market pair, decide whether a market order gives speed or a limit order gives price control, and use stop limit to protect gains. Monitor order books briefly to avoid slippage, and split larger buys into smaller tranches if needed. Make sure to enable a withdrawal whitelist and connect a hardware wallet for long-term holdings, and set price alerts so you respond quickly. When you're ready to move funds off exchange, double-check the destination address and send a tiny test transfer first. This prevents irreversible mistakes. Download transaction, history and realized gains reports to prepare for taxes, and confirm whether you will receive a Form 1099 or need manual reporting. If a deposit or withdrawal stalls, gather the transaction ID, timestamps, and screenshots. Then contact Gemini support promptly, explain the steps you already took. If verifications
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.